Hey guys, I'm Harshit Kumar and this is the end of day 4. Well, today was again not good because I selected only 4 chapters to complete, and out of which I was not able to complete one chapter, and that is surface chemistry. Apart from that, I was able to complete sequence and series, elasticity and viscosity, and chemical kinetics. So yeah, today's day was not good again, and I don't see where it's going. So yeah, I'm thinking about changing a lot of things. Someone suggested me to give more mock tests. So tomorrow, from tomorrow, I will give mock test every other day. So yeah, on alternate days, I will be giving mock test starting from tomorrow. And I also think, after studying these much chapters, I am also thinking that I should be giving mock tests more, because by studying I realize that there are only few things that I don't know, and very few new questions are coming up. So I think I will be giving mock tests more. So let's see how much I get. I won't have very high hopes for my exam, because as I have told you, I have not given mock tests from a bit long time. So I will give my mock test tomorrow, and I will share my marks with you guys. And yeah, I am expecting it to be around, not more. I don't think I will even be able to score 150 plus. I mean, I used to score around 180, an average of 180, but I don't think I will be able to score 180 right now. But I hope that before my JEE advance, I am able to score 180 to 200 marks. I will try to do that, because mock tests are usually, the mock tests are easier than JEE advance, because in JEE advance it's not just the question, it's the complete environment is a bit different. So okay, so that's it for today. I will be linking 2 videos and a subscribe button. Thanks for watching.